Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market, you might have noticed that the last 24 hours, the market has taken a little bit of a pullback due to a heavy profit taking and a little bit of uncertainty when it comes to the US election. Now keep in mind, Bitcoin was rejected close to 72,000 again and has fallen a little short to 70k, but clearly suggesting that the uptrend has not been broken. Dogecoin has fallen back from 16 cents to 15.7, but the trading volume is still holding very strong. Right now, there is a lot of money that's actually flowing into the crypto market, and that's exactly what we need. Can Dogecoin year to date reach 22 cents before the end of this year? It is possible, and the US government seeks to return $13 million in political donation from the FTX executive, and Bitcoin slides below 70k is the rally coming to an end. There is a lot to cover today. Before we get into it, if you guys are here for the first time, you want more content relating to crypto and especially Dogecoin, scroll down, tap the red subscribe button. While you're there, slap a like on the video. You'll just have the YouTube algorithm push the video to more people. More people are paying attention to what is happening in the crypto market, the higher user engagement, more inflow of cash, and we all make a lot of profit. Keep in mind, right now we're sitting at a very critical stage when it comes to the overall market performance. Now the stock market has been doing some good numbers. Now when it comes to the crypto market, it's doing exactly the same, and it's definitely going to keep pushing up if we just follow through with it. What I mean by that is, let me explain. First of all, when we look at Dogecoin, you can see that when Bitcoin got rejected close to 72k and wasn't able to make it to its all-time high, Doge actually did something similar, but it's able to find a support close to 15.5. Now if Bitcoin is able to make a slight recovery, Doge will go explosive, and the reason for this is because this has not been tested since May. Just to give you perspective, we have not been able to climb back from May to June close to 16.8 cents. So this time around, Doge has shown a very good potential because so many whales are actually throwing so much money at it, and if the inflow of cash is going to be so significantly high that what we are seeing right now, there's definitely a lot of potential for the market to keep bouncing back. Capital inflow into crypto markets surged by 300% in just the last 30 days and now reaching 24 billion. That's a lot of aggressive buying that's happening, just to give you perspective. And can Dogecoin reach 22 cents? Now, there is a huge chance, just to give you perspective. I mean, it's rallied 45% in the last 30 days. So another 50% increase would not be too hard for Dogecoin if it's able to just sustain close to 15.5 cents while the whole market is trying to, just relax and go into a consolidation phase. While all the people who don't believe in the token or don't believe in crypto right now and want to take profit decide to take profit, and the new whales decide to walk in. Now both of that is going to be, swapping around is the right word to use. So we see that little bit of a consolidation before the market goes explosive again. Talking about the open interest, it's down about 10% today. It's fallen short to $1 billion for Dogecoin, but it's still close to 900 million, which is significantly higher than where we started earlier. If you look at the long to the short ratio, well, the long traders are definitely grabbing this situation by the balls, because you can see the 64% has been, added, and just 2 days ago it was sitting at 58%, which gives you just a perspective in terms of how much better long traders believe that Dogecoin is still going to do. Even though it hasn't fallen back to where it began, which is close to 14 cents, a lot of long traders have definitely taken their position in the right place. The US government seeks to return some, let's just say donations that were done by the former FTX Sam, and a recent filing shows that they will be returning this donation. Now a little bit of uncertainty that's been happening is causing this, volatile market. Just to give you perspective, as the uncertainty with Bitcoin, if you guys do not know, is the fact that the US election at one point was very heavily in favor of Trump, but the new data that came out is showing that it's a lot closer than a lot of people anticipated, and a lot of people are also supporting Kamala. And just to give you perspective, Kamala is she's not against crypto, that's not the right word to use, but it's more like Trump is more towards crypto and try to get it more integrated into the currency and just allow for more freedom of movement when it comes to crypto. Therefore, the market is definitely reacting in a positive way every time Trump gets more voting and more things go towards him. So far, Bitcoin is according to plan. After moving to 72k, is now retesting 69, and after this, if it decides to hold this, the next retesting will be close to 78, which is definitely going to be making its all-time high again. And the chances of that happening is actually very, very high, because you need to understand the amount of things which are happening in the crypto market on the back end and the amount of whales which are trying to buy this. We got a long way to go. Now, Bitcoin ETF just recorded inflow topping at 500 million, the highest since their launch. So therefore, even the ETFs are definitely in favor of Bitcoin actually doing bigger numbers rather than slowing down. And if more financial institutions try to push it, it's definitely going to do some big numbers. 250 million in 24 hours Dogecoin Robinhood transaction is spotted, and these transactions are the reason why the market is being super volatile. I'm not saying that they're the sole reason, but it's definitely one of the massive reasons why the market is not being able to make a decision. And then Dogecoin dips, but the traders identified this critical support zone for a bounce back, and that's close to 15 cents. That's exactly where we're sitting right now. If we're able to rebound from here, there is definitely so much potential for Dogecoin to go up. Gotbit founder indicated in crypto market manipulation scheme. Now, just to give you perspective, this is something that also Elon faced, and that's one of the reasons why Elon was not saying anything relating to Dogecoin for nearly 2 to 3 years, and it wasn't able to be proven. So I feel like something similar is going to happen in this case as well. Dogecoin price set for a parabolic move according to these analysts. I mean, it's very clear. If you just look at the chart, it's really clear that it's going to break its all-time high next move forward, because the type of momentum it's building, it's definitely setting lower highs very, very quickly. And if these lower highs keep climbing, well, there is a lot of potential for this to go up. Experts predict this parabolic move could convert Dogecoin to $1, but will it be able to reach that price before the end of November? That would be a question for you to answer, because that would be a big game changer for a lot of people. And Trump's shift towards Bitcoin, could his crypto support transform the US policies? And that's exactly what I mean. If the US policies actually come towards crypto rather than regulating it so heavily, that could definitely have a huge impact and, you know, just help the crypto market in a positive way rather than the election actually affecting it in a negative way. Right now, the crypto market is sitting at a very critical stage, and Cardano being pushed out of the top 10 is a big deal in my opinion as well, but there is a lot of room for Doge to actually climb a few more spots before it cools off. Just be a little calm, and we got a long way to go. Other than that, I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you did, drop a like on it, subscribe, and I'll see you soon.